Hello everyone, welcome to today's video where we'll dive into an exciting Python script for automated student result analysis system using web scraping. So this will be the file and I have made this completely for educational purpose. As you people know that web scraping should be done by consent permission of consent authority. So let me explain you the things here. So I have written, I mean, like how I have written the script or something like that. This will be the script, and I have imported these many libraries for web scraping. I have used Selenium, so it'll work as I mean, like web driver which drives the browser. So later on, like this will be the code for this will be the code what I have written for scrapping of a website. Here, for example, I'll be showing you the I'll show you the demo later in later stages. So I have written a configuration file in JSON format, which will take inputs, which will automate things, and something like this. So for developer mode, I have given zero. In this case, I have made a simple GUI or configuration file. How I can or any other can easily understand and configure their own settings for the tool. So in developer mode, if I enable this is only exclusively for developers, so that many print statements prints, and then the debug data, developer mode along with debug data will print all the necessary print statements, or like exactly what has to be done. I mean, like what is going on in the code, and then where exactly I'm getting there. So something like that. And this screenshot is something like suppressing of a uh, um, web driving page, something like that. So once the web scraping starts, if I give screenshot as one, my edge browser or something pops up, and then we can see the automation things. We'll be exploring these things in the later stage. Next, automation. So when a developer is developing their tool or website, automation in the sense like he need not go through um, all the settings of like user what he will give. So I have given an option for auto to auto, in the sense automatically if it is enabled to one, automatically the tool will not ask for any settings in the GUI. So it directly takes the data from the configuration file itself. And when it comes to first USN, it's 400. 400 in the sense, in my case, I have kept it as 400 because like it is customizable, but default, this will act as a default starting USN or any roll number. It depends on an university or any college. So this is SPDF range. SPDF range in the sense it's a starting PDF range. So we'll be discussing about this in the next coming this thing. So ending PDF range and starting PDF range is for the file which is dependent on this, which converts all the PNG files into a PDF. And the last USN, as discussed last USN, and the USN number. This is the prefix for any USN number, like this will be constant. So this is the default value for any sort of USN numbers that we are going to parse, or we are going to web scrap. And this status I have mentioned as Y, and write radar path. And this tool will also have capability to develop generate many charts and many possible calculations. So as per that, as per part of the script what I have written, based on the grades of the student, the radar chart will also be generated. So the radar chart will be in the format of PNG for each student. So to save that data, that path of PNG file to the Excel sheet or CSV sheet, if I enable this as one, that path will be stored directly into the CSV file. And this is temporary PNG location where I mean, like, my temporary PNGs will store. PNG in the sense, it is completely for Captcha location. So the Captcha will be stored in one location, and after decoding the Captcha, it starts. I mean, like, it will delete the Captcha. And these are result links, so we may have to paste these links manually from the result website what they have given. And radar save, these are paths, PDF intake, and these things are CSV path, CSV PDF path, watermark image. And these are something like direct paths where our files are located or should locate. And this is a dictionary. I have declared two dictionaries. One is grade point. Grade point in the sense this is standard grade point as per VTU. So moreover, when I come to subject credits, each time different credits arises, and then I mean, like, different if a tool when tool is run, for each and every instance of results, if this tool finds some unknown result pages or something like that, this will directly ask for the I mean, like, credits, and then it will store in this format. So you can see here, these are the default line these are the default credits what I have given, and these are the extra credits what it has taken and it has saved. So this is something like regarding the configuration file in the format of JSON. And when it comes to bar charts, so this is also another file or script what I have written to generate bar charts. Bar charts in the sense, like, to analyze the passing percentage or number of students who has passed in the particular subject or something like that. I have written this script. So this is a normal script. I'll be showing the output of this file, and you people can check out these files or these scripts in the description, where I'll be giving my GitHub link, so you can just go there and check once. I'll just show you once. Now let us configure the file. So screen show, I'll keep it as one here, and then the first USN is 400. PDF range, okay. Last USN is 423. Just for a demonstration purpose, so I'll keep this last USN as 405. So here, and everything remains the same. I've given 4 semesters, something like that. And please make sure that this is only for educational purpose, and without consent of particular authority, we are not allowed to scrap their websites. I'll be saving this configuration file, and as per this will be the main script where I have written everything. So I'll just run the script. You can check out here, automated student result analysis tool, and it is also showing thank you, developed by Karthik PS, Department of ECE. So I'm student of BMSCE. So here we got a tab which opened, and asking us for the prompt. So auto config or manual config. So if I give auto, like, the default values what I have given in auto will be taken, and if I give manual, it will ask for manual instances of each different types of USN or range or parameters. So here for demonstration purpose, I'll give you manual, and this will ask us default is 400, so I'll just directly click 400, and default is 423, I'll click 423, and default is 1BM22 EC, so directly I'll click that. So at this point, you can see how the driver automatically types the captcha, and then it passes the results. And you can also observe at this point, for each and every instance, the data is being fetched and then converted, and then it is directly written into the CSV file what we'll be seeing. So it was for 423. So I'll just stop this instance at this point. I'll be closing this and then I'll be showing you the output. So for an output purpose, you can see here at this point, GitHub, result automation, results. So here at this point, you can see here output with timestamp. So till now, three results were passed in the past this thing. So here you can see here. So the USN, student name, and then these are subject names. What all subjects a student has in his curriculum, and then these are credit points which are calculated, and this is SGPA of a student. So this will have a complete list of data, and this CSV file will be further useful for data analysis purpose and something more. So later on in the next stage, like the script also generates the radar charts of each and every student. So you can see here, these are the radar chart in the sense something which will be different. I mean, like easy for a student to track his grades in a simpler manner. So later on, the script also generates charts, different kinds of charts when the scripts are run. So this is the chart, like the grade distribution for different subjects, and this also shows highest number of failures across subjects. And in further development, we can also enable the top student and many sort of analysis tools based on analysis graphs, charts based on the CSV file and data what we'll be writing to the CSV file. So these are great distribution for different subjects where people score I mean, like O grade, A plus, A, something like that. So this is the tool what I have generated, and this is the image for watermark, and this will be the main script where I have included a different sort of libraries and what I have taken from libraries or something like that. You can directly like for any queries or something, you can just comment it out down in the comment section. Thank you for watching the video.